Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Tonight, we're diving headfirst into one of the most exciting parts of Thai culture, the night market. Forget what you've seen in curated travel shows. We're going to experience the real, buzzing, chaotic, and absolutely wonderful life of a local Thai night market. Ready? Let's go! The first thing that hits you is the energy. It's a symphony of sounds, the sizzle of food on hot griddles, the friendly chatter of vendors, the laughter of families out for their evening meal, and the lively music that just makes you want to dance. It's not just a place to shop, it's the heart of the community, where people gather after a long day to relax, eat, and connect. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the food. You can find everything here, from classic pad thai and savory mu ping, which are these incredible grilled pork skewers, to more adventurous treats. Look at this, freshly grilled squid, spicy song, tam salad being made right before your eyes, and oh, you can't miss the mango sticky rice for dessert. The smells are just intoxicating. And the best part, it's all incredibly affordable. You can feast like a king for just a few dollars. But it's not all about food. The night market is a treasure trove for shoppers. You'll find rows and rows of stalls selling unique, handcrafted goods, trendy clothes at bargain prices, quirky souvenirs, and all sorts of interesting bits and bobs you won't find anywhere else. Haggling is part of the fun, so always be polite. Have a smile on your face, and you might just walk away with a great deal. This is the authentic Thailand. It's vibrant, a little messy, and full of life. It's about sharing delicious food with friends, discovering unique items, and just soaking in the incredible atmosphere. This is where memories are made. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of a real Thai night market. It's truly an experience you have to feel for yourself. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more authentic travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.